Barbecue.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, the hostess with the mostest. And today I got something cool for you. We're not cooking. We are doing an unboxing of my new grill. That's right, we got us an Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Look at that bad boy. Let me tell you, that box is small. I mean, you can see kind of how tall it is. But it is mighty heavy. I carried it from my front door to here, and that's as far as I'm going to carry it, and I'm just going to do the whole video right here. I'm not going to go outside, it's too cold, and I don't want to carry this thing any farther than I have to. So, we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to open this thing up, show you what it looks like. We're going to put it together, and kind of check it out together with you. This is my new smoker. I'm super stoked about this. I've been wanting one for a while, and I finally got one. I was trying to get it before Christmas, but I didn't really want to spend the money before Christmas. It was Christmas time, you know, all that kind of stuff. And so I bought one after Christmas, and I kind of regret it because I couldn't find any sales on it after Christmas. So I had to pay more for it, which sucked. But it's still not bad. Not bad for a drum smoker. These are pretty nice drum smokers, and they're relatively cheap for a drum smoker. So it is what it is at this point. So let's get to opening this sucker up and see what it's like. See what it looks like. Alright, so my dogs are very curious to see what's going on here. Oh, especially open. What do you think it is? Okay, right off the bat, got the instruction book. Got this cool grill guide. What is this? Grilling guide. Shows you all kinds of cool stuff, how to use it, all the extra stuff you can get for it, wood flavor chart, notes. You can take notes in here. How cool is that? Alright. And my $8. Did I bonk you? Did I bonk you on the head? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Alright, so here's all the parts. Here's my instructions. I got the little thing on the side, the little tray on the side. All the pieces of parts, wheels, everything. All this stuff has to go together. So I am going to just snap my fingers and put it all together. Like, it's going to be like magic. I'm going to snap my fingers and it's going to be poof. It's going to appear. Ready? 1, 2, boom. Check that out. Got it done, got it built. Actually, I'm kind of lying to you. It's actually the day 2. I built this thing yesterday. I shot this video. I didn't like it. I'm going to redo it. So, anyway, my daughter's here. Check it out. Hi, Jenna.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. So, anyway, I got this thing done. I got it put together. It's been sitting here since yesterday. And I wanted to go over a few things with you guys and explain to you the few things I like and a few things I don't like. Most of what I don't like is just the way they built this or designed it to be put together. Basically being, I didn't realize that this piece and this piece is 2 separate pieces, and you have to bolt it together down here, which would be fine, but none of the bolt holes lined up. And I got all but one, and then there's like a tab on the inside here. See if I can show you the tab. There's a tab. down here, these little tabs, and actually I think this is the one, but that tab is bent, so I had to bend it and try to get it back into place, and with a little bit of cussing and yelling and you know, damn near taking this thing outside and yeeting it to Jesus, I finally got it in, so that's fine, no big deal. Something I could take care of pretty easily. Other than that, like, for the most part, everything looks pretty good. I like the way it's all designed. What was the other thing? Oh, I know. The other thing was this plate here. There's a plate here and a plate here, and both of these plates you have to screw on separately. Once you attach them, you have to take, there's a big bar that runs through it. You have to take that bar and put that bar through it. And something that I didn't think about, if you go to put these pieces on, make sure you don't screw them down, tighten them down. Put that bar in first and then tighten it down, because according to the instructions, you're supposed to just tighten it down, then put the bar in, but it doesn't fit that way. I used a big sledgehammer and knocked it in there because it didn't fit. So, but I got it. It's not a big deal. Whatever. Just kind of something to point out is just don't tighten those down until you get the bar in, and then tighten it down. So anyway, besides that, I like it. I love it. I love this thing. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to get a good cook on it. I plan on doing a first burn in this weekend, try to get all the stuff burnt out of it, and then hopefully maybe even get it cooked on it. So what do you guys think? Tell me what you think. Do you like these? Do you like these Oklahoma Joes? These things are pretty sweet, if I do say so myself. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewbieQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And sorry guys, sorry it was a short video, but you know, it's not much to really talk about. I mean, it's a drum smoker. So anyway, that's all I got for you. See you guys next time. Peace.